Hello chosen ones! In this video I'm going to show you how to get Noxarite ore in Witchspire. To find Noxarite you'll need to be fairly deep into the main story, as this ore only becomes available once you've reached the desert island, located far to the northwest of the beginner island. If you look at the map here, you'll see that I'm currently inside a mountainous area. From what I've found during my playthrough, Noxarite most commonly spawns inside small caves, rather than out in the open. My current location is just south of the hearth, with the hearth itself placed at the exact location of the first abandoned hearth in this region, assuming you followed the main story marker to get here. From my observations, Noxarite tends to spawn near areas where these flower-like crystal formations appear, specifically the lotus crystals. If you spot these crystal formations inside caves, make sure to check nearby, as Noxarite deposits are often found right beside them. Before trying to mine the ore, make sure you have the Flawless Witch's pickaxe, since this is the only tool capable of harvesting Noxarite. Without it, you won't be able to collect the ore even if you locate the deposits. Once you have the proper pickaxe, farming Noxarite becomes much easier. Another reliable location can be found just west of our previous spot, where there's a massive hole in the ground leading into Soli Cave. Be careful when exploring this area, as it contains some fairly strong familiars that can be dangerous if you're underprepared. That said, the cave is well worth the risk, as a large number of Noxarite deposits can be found along the edges of the cavern, and that's everything you need to know about getting Noxarite ore in Witchspire.